Hey man, you know where you watch? Wagwan, Dancehall skilla day again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, is it? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that I've recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. The video shows some things that happened when a man arrested a man, viewers and subscribers, and allegedly it is said that the man brought the man who he arrested to a police station that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Notice I said allegedly. You see? Now, I don't have any confirmed information if the man who arrested the man is a police officer or not, viewers and subscribers. But I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you think the man who you can see in the video who arrested the man is a police officer or not. Yeah, you can tell me if you think the man is a police officer or not. Now, please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Swagwa. So listen carefully, listen.
Okay, make you not dead. Try to say I have a sister like you. Sitting on this. Murder your youth. Yeah, see me here, that's up, bro. That's up, me here there. How much you really on the gang?
Let me see your body.
You know why? You don't even know where you are, you know.
See your
Something like this, man. Go. You there. Okay, I see me car this here. Can't take up gun. You see me? I said them we shoot off from the car. Yes, I see me there one night, you know. I ask you, see everyone when you come to them. And just come off operation, I have operation, and wall over, you know. And you see me car, you say, I'm fire shot down this, you know. And just take the church and come fetch him right there, and I ask him.
Alright, let me point out some things quick and fast, my people. So I say, alright, now first things first. I don't have any confirmed information as to what the man used to restrain the man in order to arrest the man, viewers and subscribers. So I say, so I wonder if the man used handcuffs or maybe use something else, because a police may not use handcuffs in viewers and subscribers. Yes, so I say, you see, if that man lived within the area where that video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers, and if that man is a police officer for real, then I think there's some form of respect there for that man, you know. And I think him brave as well too. Yes, I say, yeah man. I mean, if you listen to the video carefully, you can hear when him use the word operation of viewers and subscribers. And the man says some things that might give us some hint and clues to determine if he's a police officer or not. Yes, I say, but you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You can tell me if you think the man is a police officer or if you think he's not a police officer. So I say, yeah, leave your comment and comment in the comment section of the video, and I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that I've recorded somewhere out there in the world. I don't know exactly where and when the video will be recorded. The video shows some things that happened when a person went to a premises that is located somewhere out there in the world with the intention to fight or hurt someone. The video shows the person holding a weapon, viewers and subscribers. And the video also shows when the person used the weapon to damage a motor vehicle. The person also threatened at least one person's life in the viewers and subscribers. Now, if you look and listen to the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to where within the world the video had been recorded. I don't have any confirmed information as to what started the confrontation that you can see in the video that I'm about to present to you. One of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. You can also let me know what you think about the video as well. And I want you to please bear in mind that in this video you can hear harsh language. I want you to also please bear in mind that the video shows a person holding a weapon, and the video also shows when the person used the weapon to damage a motor vehicle. You can also hear persons talking in the background of the video as well to viewers and subscribers. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
No, no, call police. I want to leave them.
Call police.
I don't see
the police.
Daylight, boy, leave it. Daylight, say boy. Daylight. I wanna leave. Boy, leave him.
I'm going to answer. Watch out.
Touch my trainers.
Don't behave like that.
Trainers of different. You see, you're passing your trouble. Any mother come by, you're saying you're trouble.
I'll kill your wife.
You really want to trust in your mother.
I'll kill your wife. I'll drink your blood by that boy. You know you are.
Let's call the police.
Like, come in,
Go police.
That boy satisfied. I will kill him. I will find your wife.
I don't know my
My people, you see, if someone threaten your life, do not take that threat lightly. Report the situation to the police. Don't take a life threat lightly, viewers and subscribers. See, because appear bad things are happen different places in the world, viewers and subscribers. You understand? And just to make sure so you there on the safe side, make sure you let the police know if someone threaten your life. Yeah, man. You see me? As for the person who you see in the video, viewers and subscribers, that did certain things like damage the motor vehicle and say certain things that are considered to be threatening at least one person's life, that person could find himself in police custody or being questioned by the police. You see me I say? Yeah, because them kind of things, they're not right. Definitely not right, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Anyways, the video is being talked about on social media. That's one of the reasons why I'm present the video to you. And I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. Now, in the next video that I'm about to present to you, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she gave persons on social media advice about visiting family and friends in certain countries out there like US, Canada, and UK. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, I would like you to listen to the things that the female said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Before me start, me know me head dirty, so anybody talk about that, I always say time, me not key.
Right.
Anyway, if you're thinking about coming to the US, Canada, England, anywhere like that, I need you guys to take this advice. And I'm giving you this, and not me know me love talk, but take me advice.
Listen.
You see, when you come up here, make sure you have a plan B. If you're coming up here to stay with family or friends, make sure you have a plan B.
Why is?
Because from the first time you land down in a them place there, the first 2 weeks you're a guest. You see, from the third week you become a burden. They start to hide food from you. They start to hide soap, toothpaste. They start to watch your body. They start to do I tell you.
Right.
So when you come up here, make sure you have the intention and the mindset. You're not going to go sit down. Look for a job.
What?
You have your P2. You know what me call them P2 because a 2 foot you get and a P. Your personal foot. Take them and you walk around. Walk into these beauty supply stores, these restaurants, these Chinese places and ask for a job. Make sure you have a job and you're bringing some sort of $50 to give them. Because me I tell you, you're going to go have hell, them are going to throw you out. And them very smart. 2 weeks them I give before they could throw you out. Because they know if you're there up until 30 days, they can't put you out.
What?
Go around, look for a job and sort out yourself. When me come up here, me have it easy. By the time me land in another place, I me have 2 jobs.
Okay.
But not everybody going to have it that way. And me there wrong people who me have to help, who me see struggle. Because family treat them like shit because they're not bringing nothing. And this place is a very cruel place. So let me tell you, that place for somebody just lash out, especially if you don't have your papers and you just want to run off because you can't take your burden back home. If you think you guys come up here and sit down and your burden no release, you tell a lie, and you tell a lie again. Might as well stay home. So when you come up here, if you have any friend where you know they in a this place where you know, ask them if they have any little babysitting job or any job, just look around for something for you because you come. Do something like that. Just try for yourself, but not stay in them house. Do not stay in the friends, family. When them realize they have to feed you, and you they sit down and a belch after their stress, that's when they can go start to take advantage of you. So I want y'all to take this advice. If I have plan to come in a country like this, America, England, or wherever be case, have your backup plan. I mean, I say it's all bad, and you know it's a bad place to live. It's a place where you come go make your money, and you wish you be the home. Okay. Me I tell you that it's a place where you just want to make your money, you want to see nice building, and you wish you back in your home country. Take me stupid advice.
Well, me not think your advice stupid enough. No, so me not think your advice stupid at all. As a matter of fact, I think of some valuable and valid advice them there. You see me I say? Yeah man, but on a real though, viewers and subscribers, you see, as a real man, let me speak generally for each and every one, both man and woman. I think it's common knowledge for each and every adult to know that you can't just sit down in someone's house and run up them bills, eat them food, and at the same time you're not providing nothing. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so the things that much you say really and truly, I respect the things that much you say. So I don't think only Canada, US and UK these kind of situations happen. Yes, I say, I mean, Jamaica itself and other places in the world too. So, you know, I think the things that you said are common knowledge, but a good advice. I'm a respect her for that. So big her up. So, let me know what you think about the things that the female said in that video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? I got some y'all left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, I'm name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.